We continue with part 2 of the Excel Pause and Practice 1-2. We have completed 6 tasks. Now we're going to start with 7. Change the row heights of 4, 19 and 20. So let's select 4. In order to select multiple rows that are not continuous, you have to hold Control. So it's saying click the 4th row heading, which is here, and then hold Control and then add 19 and 20 also. And then it says type 24 in the new height. Click OK. So when you click on Format, cell row height 24, click OK. Now the new height has been created. Now we go to task 8. Center label across selection. So select A1 to H2, A1 to H2. Click Alignment Launcher, Home tab, Alignment Group, Home tab, Alignment Group, and then this is the launcher at the corner. Click, and then from the horizontal drop down list, select Choose Center Across Selection, and then click OK. There it automatically, the headings are centered to the selection. Okay. Right. Next we go to task 9. Enter a row, insert a row and enter data. Right click on heading 13. So when you go to heading 13 here and right click and then say insert. Automatically a row is inserted and all the rest of them are shifted down. In A13 type Our Weekend Cottage. A13, click Our Weekend Cottage. Press tab, it goes to the next one. Type Walker. And press tab. And then right click cell C13 and pick from the drop menu. Right click, pick from drop down list and select MN. Okay. Let's save the file one more time. File, save. From time to time, please save your files. Now we go to task G, select D13, which is D13, or you could just type D13, which will take you to D13. Then press tab, move to the next cell, enter the remaining. Okay. So we have to enter G13. We have to start entering in these data. For example, 3, tab, 3, tab, 4, tab, 4. Automatically, if you see, this total is being added here. Next, we go to task 10. Add and modify borders, fill color and alignment. Select cells A4 to H21. A4 to H21, all the way here, 21. So we are here to A21. Okay. Now select all borders, clicking border arrow button. So if you go to Home tab, Font Group, Home tab, Font Group, Borders, in the borders, click on here and select all borders. Good. So we completed task B, 10B. 10C, select cells A4 to H4. A4 to H4. Okay. Click the arrow with the fill color button. So Home tab, Font Group, Fill. This is fill color. Find and click the color tile blue accent 1, lighter 80%. So when you click on this, this is a sample and this is blue accent 1, lighter 80%. That's it. So now we have shaded this. Okay, we completed 10D. Let's go to 10E. Select A4. Select A4. Okay. Click Format Painter button. Format Painter button in the Home tab, clipboard. This is the format. It just copies the colors and the fonts. Click Format Painter. Click and drag cells A20 to H21. A20 to H21. There you go. When you leave it, it's going to copy the colors automatically. There you go. Sorry, I think I made a mistake. That's, it was supposed to be just A, it's supposed to be A20 to H21, only these two. Okay, good. Now we have completed 10E, 10F, sorry, 10G. Select cells A20 and A21. A20 and A21. Click the Align Right button in the Home tab alignment group. Home tab alignment group, this is aligned right. So it automatically aligns right. That's G. H. Select D20 to H21. D20 to H21. Aligned right. Once again, alignment, Home tab, alignment, right, aligned right. Select cells D21 to H21. D21 to H21 is here. Click decrease decimal. Because there are so many decimal points here, we can go to Home tab, number, or alignment, sorry, alignment, and then click decrease. Decrease decimal is in numbers. Decrease decimal. Here you go. Click on decrease decimal or increase decimal. Next one is increase decimal to 2 decimals. Okay, that was J. Click the increase decimal, decrease decimal, and increase decimal. Decrease decimal takes it to 0 decimals, and increase decimal we are able to do it to 2 decimals. That's the end of task 10. Task 11 is renaming the worksheet and change the tab color. Now double click on sheet 1 tab name. This is called the tab name, sheet 1. Double click on that. When you double click, automatically it lets you to edit. We're going to enter rental days. Enter. Now right click rental days and select the tab color. Right click and then select tab color. Select blue accent 1. Blue accent 1. That's blue accent 1. Now we've changed the color here. Then go back to A. From anywhere in the Excel worksheet, if you want to go to A1, you could press the home button also. It will take you to shift and home will take you to A1 like that. Okay. Right. Now we go to task 12, copy a worksheet and delete data. Right click on the rental days sheet tab. So right click on the rental days sheet tab. Then click move and copy. Make sure you click move to the end. And D, select create a copy box. Create a copy box. Click OK. So now if you see, it creates a duplicate copy of this rental days 2. Rename the copied sheet as next period. So double click once again and then delete that and enter next period. Enter. Okay. Then you can choose the tab color. Right click, tab color. Go to gold accent 4, which is the gold accent 4. There you go. We select gold accent 4. So it should look like that. Okay. Next, select D5 to G19 in this new sheet. Make sure you are in the next period sheet. Select D5 to G19. D5 is here. G19 is here. Okay. And when you delete it, when you click delete, automatically everything becomes 0. And that's good. And at the bottom is actually an average of nothing, so it will give you this error. That's fine. Okay, so that's how it will look like. This is sheet 1. Sheet 1 rental days will look like this. Here you go. And rental next period, the sheet will look something like this. So we also still have to change color for this. Okay, we have to change, select G cells D5, delete. Okay. Select cells A4 to H4. A4 to H4. And then click arrow, fill color in the home tab, font group, color, and select gold accent 4 lighter. 80%, which is this. Okay. And then select the A20 to H21. A20 to H21, fill the same color. So home tab, font group, fill, and do the same. Press Control Home. When you press Control and the Home button, it will take you all the way up. And if you are in Excel worksheet, it will take you all the way to A1. Okay, so here we are. Now save the file. So when you are in an Excel worksheet, wherever you are, when you press Control and Home, it will take you to A1. Okay. Now save the file. Make sure you save the file. And then you can save it and save it and drop it in the Dropbox or submit it in the Dropbox on Brightspace. This is part 2 of your Excel 1-2 exercise. Good luck everyone.